Dasen, court is about to get underway there. What are expectations today? Where are we picking up this case?
Well, generally, forgive me because there's a little bit of chaos because we're told now that the courtroom is being changed, so we might need to relocate. So we'll try to keep this fairly brief. But today is meant to be a crucial part of this case, a case that we've been following for some time now since we saw those arrests at the beginning of last year, those 5 men that were in the dock over the murders of eNCA and Tebello Motsoane. Now, today is meant to be the day that those indictments are served. It means that we should be getting to a point where we know when this matter will be sitting for trial in the High Court. And there were lots of challenges along the way, lots of delays. The bail applications of the accused last year took an extended amount of time. I think it took over 2 months. You'll also know that from the last time that we were here, 2 of the accused that are in this matter also then tried another attempt at bail. They said that that was bail on new facts, but in the end, after all of that, the magistrate had then ruled that it was not actually new facts and that they were denied bail as a result of that. Essentially, they had brought to the fore that they were now having issues around because of the incarceration, having issues around the payment of school fees, the well-being of their families, and all of that was thrown out by Magistrate Dasen Thathiah when he made that ruling last month. So today's proceedings will be a point that I guess many who are watching this case will be paying attention to, because we'll finally know when will this case be sitting for trial.
Thank you so much, Dasen, and that's what we all want to know. Hence, we will be watching this court case very, very closely. And Dasen Thathiah will have all the details for you right here on eNCA. Aakash, there's just so many moving parts in this case that sometimes it's so hard to keep it all together. But Dasen is doing an excellent job in doing just that.
And we will continue to follow the case. Once it gets to the High Court and the indictments are served, it's very important because the indictment basically sets out the state's case against the accused. And at that particular point, we will also get a very clear idea of what the state really thinks happened in the run-up to this particular killing. We will also be, hopefully able to try and figure out whether the state has any sort of idea who was the person or the people who ultimately ordered this particular killing. And those are all facts that will be spelled out in the indictment. Once the matter is moved to the High Court, a trial date will then be set. That's not likely to happen in the next few weeks. It's probably going to be in the coming months before the trial actually begins.